Many organisations will allow access to their managed applications, such as Office 365, from personal devices like this one. We're going to take a look at what happens when we sign into Office 365 and it's integrated with Okta, because Okta's single sign-on process can be integrated with Netskope in order to push the user's access to Office 365 through Netskope's next generation secure web gateway. So as we sign into Okta here and the authentication completes, what we'll see is that the user is redirected seamlessly and transparently through Netskope's reverse proxy. And you can see it if you look within the URL bar, the rewriting of that URL to make sure that Netskope is in path. Once Netskope's able to see that traffic, we can control certain applications within Office 365, such as OneDrive. We can prevent the downloading of documents onto the personal device. You can see here when I click on download, nothing is happening. To illustrate the point further, let's try deleting the file. And I've also created a policy that prohibits that. So when I click on delete, it may ask me to confirm my intentions, but it will also present a message to me saying that this file wasn't deleted, was unable to be deleted. Now, personal devices are not just desktops. It might be that users are using mobile devices to access these types of applications as well. So let's run through the same process from our mobile device. So we'll sign in to Office just like we did on the desktop, but now we're in the mobile environment. The flow is exactly the same. I sign into Office 365 and I will be redirected to the Okta sign-in. Once again, after completing my static password, I'm going to be prompted by Okta to perform my two-factor authentication on the phone. And when we complete that, we're signed into Office 365. So let's choose a different application this time and go into Outlook within Office 365 to simulate somebody checking their email from their personal device. And that's fine that they can read their email, but again, if I go to the download action within this application, I want to be prevented from making that download, and here we see a notification from Netskope preventing that download. So in that demonstration, we've seen how, without needing to install anything on the devices, Netskope can manage access to managed applications like Office 365 and control the activities that people perform in order that data isn't downloaded to personal devices and exfiltrated from the organization.